been a while, YouTube, but I'm back, baby. We've got two cocktails today. We've got the Revolver and the Rob Roy. Let's go. What's going on, guys? It's been about 2 months since my last video. I've been a busy boy, but we're back and we're gonna do two cocktails for you today. We've got the Revolver, which is a jacked up coffee version of a Manhattan. And then we've got the Rob Roy, which is like a Scotch variation on the Manhattan. Let's get into it. If you're new here, my name's the Rusty Bartender and I'm making every single cocktail in Steve the Bartender's cocktail guide. This is season 1. All right, we're gonna start off with the Revolver today. It's a 3-ingredient cocktail, so start off with a chilled mixing glass. And we're going to go 2 ounces of bourbon. We're going Elijah Craig today. I'm nearly finished this bottle, so you can suggest in the comments what bottle I'm going to get next. Then we're followed by half an ounce of coffee liqueur. I'm using Mr. Black today, but if you want to go a bit sweeter in this cocktail, I'd use Tia Maria or even Kahlua. Might as well try them out. All right, then to this, we're gonna add a couple of dashes of orange bitters. We've got Fee Brothers today. 1, 2. And then just add ice to your mixing glass. Stir this for about 15 to 20 seconds. This cocktail was originally created in San Francisco by a bartender called John Santer, and is regarded as a modern day classic, which it is. The cocktail's name comes from the bourbon, actually, which was first used in this cocktail, which was Bullet bourbon, Bullet Revolver. Okay, we're gonna strain this into a chilled coupe. Okay, garnish for this one's just a flamed orange peel. Let's get those oils around the glass. Did anybody see me just spill that everywhere? We're keeping that out, we're not adding that out. We're keeping this real in this show. There we go, guys, Revolver. All right, our next cocktail is the Rob Roy, which is a Scotch variation of a Manhattan. And let's get into it. Grab your chilled mixing glass. And this uses a blended Scotch. We're going 2 ounces of our Monkey Shoulder today. And then we're going 1 ounce of a sweet vermouth. And again, 2 dashes of orange bitters in this one. Add ice to your mixing glass. Give it a stir for 15 to 20 seconds. Like and subscribe and all that good shit. All right. We're going to grab a chilled coupe once again. And strain. And this one is garnished with a maraschino cherry. All right, there you go, guys. Cheers, the Rob Roy. So we've got 2 drinks here, guys. Cheers. We'll start off with the Revolver. 1 sip, everybody knows the rules. Yeah, that's good. Obviously, you taste the coffee notes. And essentially, you do get big Manhattan vibes coming off this one. Get a little bit of the orange bitters coming at the back end. Decent Manhattan variation. What do I rate it? 4 out of 5. All right, and then we've got the good old classic, the Rob Roy. Love the color of this one. Check it out, ruby red, it's lovely. Give it a sippy sip. One sip, everybody knows the rules. Oh yeah. Classic sort of Manhattan vibes off this one too. Orange bitters, changes it slightly. I like to try this one with different scotches actually. It says to use blended scotch, but I think something with a little more flavor might be really nice in this. I'd say even a smokier sort of scotch could be good. Anyway, we're back, baby. Let's go. I've got no idea what episode this is anymore, guys. Cheers. See you in the next one.